Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I managed to find a car and driver model CDC 646 dash cam, also known as the Road Patrol dash cam, and so far it's just the dash cam. I need to get some parts for it, like the cable, I think, and things like that. But it looks in good condition. I need a memory card. I don't have a way to attach it, but I was wondering if this could be used on my power chair to record while I'm out and about, so I don't have to hold my phone. So if anybody has any ideas on this, it'd be great. And I need to find if I need any parts for it. I know I'll need a charging cable because I guess there's a battery inside. But here's the specs for it that I got. It has night vision, motion sensing with audio. Record resolution is 1920 by 1080. The degrees of view is 140 degrees. Frame rate is 30 frames per second. Screen resolution is 1080, and the price range online for it, with in the box with everything, was 135 to 164. So, and they're cleaning out some apartments, so I'm assuming that's where this came from, because I don't think anybody would actually just put that on the downstairs shelves. But I was thinking, if I could get this to work and figure out how to rig it up, it might work on my power chair to record some videos for everybody. If anybody has any ideas or suggestions, please let me know. If I can't figure out how to get the parts fairly cheap, or I find out from somebody that it won't work, I'll just put it back down on the shelf. So that's what I got. And then I picked up a thing of toe warmers that was down there, because I found out this winter my feet did get pretty cold, especially on the floor, with it being like concrete and rock mix. So anyways, I'm going to save these for next winter, and I'm going to vacuum seal them because this plastic is pretty thin, and if it gets popped, these will start activating. And right now they're still really soft and stuff, and I would like to keep them that way. So those are the two things that I got, and like I said, I'm really hoping that I can get this to work and record my trips on my power chair. So maybe I can get you guys a little bit more videos of being out and about. So anyways, if anybody's got any information on the the dash cam and how I can get it to work for me, that'd be great. Alright, everybody, have a great day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.